You are a career finance employee and you notice something startling. All your competition and your peers are upscaling themselves using AI tools while you're still stuck manually completing basic audit tasks and accounts payable workflows. AI is not going to stop getting better, and in 2025, neither should you. AI automation in the world of finance and banking is not necessarily a groundbreaking endeavor, but if you're not caught up with the train of progress yet, it can be detrimental to your career in the finance world. So, to give you that major boost you need, we have compiled a list of 10 absolutely great AI tools available in 2025 that you can use to gain an edge over your peers and leapfrog your way to success. Welcome to Plivo. For the first AI tool, we have Data Snipper. If your life revolves around Excel, audit trails, reconciliations, invoice matching, this tool is like hiring a smart junior analyst who never complains. It automates evidence collection, document cross-checking, and audit workflows right inside Excel. Audit and finance teams around the globe have reported a 70% reduction in manual reconciliation time, according to internal case studies shared by Data Snipper users on LinkedIn and industry webinars. Next on the list, we have MindBridge AI. Think of MindBridge as an AI-powered anomaly detector and ledger review bot. Instead of sample-based audits, MindBridge scans full-length ledgers and flags unusual entries. Many leading accounting firms have sworn by MindBridge AI's ability to detect risk with their proprietary AI scoring models. MindBridge AI isn't just about replacing auditors, it's about making them superhuman. Finance teams now have a direct line to actionable expectations instead of endless spreadsheets and numbers. At number 3, we have Cube. Financial planning and advisory leaders have sung the praises for Cube as their handy little tool blends Excel flexibility with predictive AI forecasting, scenario planning, and automated reporting. Cube has been spotlighted in multiple podcasts featuring financial planning and advisory experts, and has been ranked among the best AI platforms in 2025 by industry analysts. Just picture your budget deck constantly updating itself and running what-if simulations on the fly. This level of automation lets you focus on the important things, such as board-level strategy. For the 4th spot on the list, let's head over to the reporting and compliance division. These are not glamorous or fun gigs by any means, but they are the unavoidable crux of the finance and banking world, which is where Workiva comes into play. Workiva directly integrates AI into SEC filing prep, ESG reporting, compliance workflows, SOX controls, and company-level documentation. All of this basically means your finance team will be entirely risk-averse from any compliance or regulatory issue that may arise. Workiva is constantly cited by financial research and advisory firms such as Gartner as the leader in connected reporting. CFOs today aren't just forecasting and predicting, they're actively reducing their level of risk by leveraging the power of AI. The next tool on the list is Perplexity. Perplexity has slowly become a valuable tool for a lot of financial professionals around the globe. It can pull information from live, trusted sources to provide clear and evidence-based solutions. Instead of spending your precious time trudging through reports, filings, and policy documents, Perplexity does the searching, cross-checks the results, and shares exactly where the information came from. Not familiar with financial and banking jargon? Yeah, neither am I. Perplexity, though, can summarize complex financial regulations into simple language. If you need a partner that keeps your financial research accurate, fast, and easy to verify, Perplexity AI is one of the best tools to add to your stack in 2025. For the 6th spot on the list, we'll be tackling how to understand spend intelligence with RAMP. RAMP monitors spending patterns, flags anomalies, optimizes SaaS spending, and you can grant it autonomy to enforce policies. RAMP claims that customers can save 3 to 5% annually via AI spending analysis and subscription intelligence. Instead of reviewing your cost at the end of the quarter, RAMP AI agents enforce discipline in real time. So if you're looking to curb unnecessary expenses and reduce the overall cost of doing business, I can think of no other better solution than what RAMP and their AI agents offer. The next tool on the list tackles something that almost all working professionals have dealt with: payroll and the accounts payable process. To take on this extremely frustrating task, we have Airbase. Recently acquired by Paylocity, Airbase defines itself as an AI-powered touchless AP system that is built to handle every step of the accounts payable process with minimal human intervention. The company has cited 40 to 60% efficiency improvements in AP cycles through the power of AI automation. Most finance teams constantly underestimate the impact accounts payable have on the day-to-day. Tighter AP systems prevent and reduce fraud, reduce delays, cash flow noise, and vendor conflict. Finance teams in 2025 using Airbase treat payables and spend as a strategic tool and not a hassle to be dealt with. The 8th tool on the list is tungsten automation, formerly known as Kofax. I'd say the theme of AI and finance is automation, but we're going to focus on a little key aspect that tends to get overlooked in the finance and banking world: document intelligence. For the uninitiated, what this means is intelligent document processing for invoices, contracts, bank statements, and compliance artifacts is all handled by Tungsten Automation and its AI. Internal development platforms, or IDPs, such as Tungsten Automation, have been cited to reduce manual document handling by more than 50%, especially in finance operations. Bottlenecks that involve paper and PDFs will not survive this decade. Tungsten turns these documents into structured, audible data, a prerequisite for machine-driven automated finance. For the second to last tool on the list, we have FeedsEye. Now, when working in the world of finance, risk and fraud are something that's always going to be a problem. FeedsEye has stated that it analyzes millions of transactions daily to detect various patterns of fraud and even anti-money laundering anomalies. Even if you're not a bank or a financial institution, risk modeling is becoming a standard in mid-market finance. Issues such as vendor fraud, reimbursement abuse, irregular spend behavior, these problems are universally applicable to most businesses in 2025. AI tools such as FeedsEye and even IBM's financial crime systems help bring these issues to light before they ever become a loss factor. For the final tool on the list, let's look at how this entire AI bubble started: Generative AI and ChatGPT. Now you might be asking, how can a simple LLM help me in my complicated finance workflow? Well, it's quite simple really. Tools like ChatGPT, Notion AI, and other internal LLM assistants help generate first draft board commentary, forecast notes, and earnings narrative. A study from the Corporate Finance Institute has stated that increasing adoption of narrative generation to shorten reporting cycles. To put simply, finance ultimately tells a story performance, AI just accelerates that narrative while the judgment is left in the capable hands of humans. Start leveraging generative AI for your finance workflows and watch the automation magic happen right in front of you. Those are the best AI tools you can use in the world of finance and banking. Most of these tools are paid and do require a subscription, but if you're looking to harness the power of AI, the time is now. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next one.